बहुत दिनों के बाद मिल रहे हैं क्योंकि मेरी कुछ हेल्थ इश्यूज़ थी। और आज हमारे पास एक गेस्ट हैं, विक्रम जी। विक्रम जी अपना बिजनेस चलाते हैं और आज अपनी लाइफ की जर्नी के बारे में हमसे बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे। हरे कृष्ण विक्रम जी।
Namaskar.
हाउ आर यू?
I am good, thank you. How are you?
आई एम गुड, थैंक यू। सो वी वुड लाइक टू नो अबाउट यू।
Sure. So, you know probably me for about a month now, 1.5.
नो, मोर
More than that,
Yeah.
little bit more than that, yeah. So I run a couple of businesses here in India. I've got a cloud kitchen which is very focused around a particular recipe or a particular type of cooking, and I focus mostly on non-vegetarian food and that too seafood. And that kitchen is run from my home kitchen. It's been a year now that I started that venture, and thankfully it's going quite good. There's a very good response within the Nasik seafood lovers community. The other business that I own is Amul franchisee, Amul Parlor, which I started in September last year. It's near Pathandi Fatu, and it's an exclusive Amul shop which hosts around 350 odd products from Amul. So that's a little bit about my business. I come from a very modest background. Uh, I I ventured out of India about 24 years back. When I was 22, that was my first assignment in Saudi. Since then, till March of last year, I have been abroad in various countries. In the Middle East, I was in Europe, I was in UK, and in various companies, different kind of roles. My last role was I was head of Asia Pacific region for a Belgian multinational company for about 10 years, which I finally decided to say thank you and come back to India. Various reasons were there. There were a few personal reasons, there were a few professional reasons. So I came back in March and started the first venture, which was the kitchen. And here I am.
Okay, so basically, what's your education background?
So I did my paint application technology from Mumbai University. So it's corrosion technology, paint application technology. And my initial days of professional work was into coatings and corrosion. Then I moved to a completely different line of business, which was into fire protection. From there, I moved into another completely different role, which was more on the management side of the business. Sales and marketing obviously was a core to me right from day one of my career, but it was more towards strategy and organizational structure and stuff like that, which was the last assignment that I had, and then business owner.
Okay.
That's a little short about my journey.
Okay, so how has the journey been from living abroad to coming back to India? After so many years of staying there, because abroad we have very disciplined, very strict kind of life, and India we take it very easy, right?
Yeah. See, challenges coming back to India, challenges in terms of handling people, or probably handling people is a wrong word, but managing people, your own as well as the people who give various services to you in your business and your personal life. Challenges are there, there is no doubt about it. But having said that, just about before we started this interview, I was discussing that charity starts at home. If you do not leave the discipline that you have been practicing over so many years, whether you are living in India or whether you are living abroad, the world around you starts accommodating you rather than you accommodating that world around you. It takes time. it doesn't happen overnight, and I'm not saying that it has happened to me in the last 1 year's time. Completely things have changed, but I have managed to change the attitude of at least a few people around me who now understand uh, number one, importance of time, number two, importance of what they are supposed to do and how that impacts their lives and my life. See, when you are expecting something from people who provide services to you need to understand that what is their understanding of their impact on your life and their own life. If they understand that well, then things start changing automatically. As I said, it doesn't change overnight. You see those changes slowly, but those changes are positive changes. Secondly, there are a lot of people who come back for various reasons back into India, and then they get frustrated, things don't work, traffic doesn't work, this doesn't work. That's all fine. There's nothing perfect. There were things in countries where you stayed which were not as per your
Right.
choices or as per your the way you thought they should have been. But you did adapt to that.
Yes.
And the same thing happens here. You adopt to things which are practical. You try and change things to how they should be in your own way. When you start doing that, out of 10 people, half a person starts seeing what you're doing, and that half a person eventually spreads that positive message or positive vibe, and that's how the society will change. There is nothing wrong in living in a society which is full of uh, things which you do not expect or which you do not like. Life will always be like that. But then adoption and trying to change for a positive, or trying to have a positive change on the society from yourself will have a much bigger impact. It might not happen in your generation, probably your next generation, but it will happen.
So in a way, we can say that we have to be disciplined by ourselves first. I always have a saying in my shows, many times I say that आपको अगर वर्ल्ड को चेंज करना है ना, पहले आप अपनी फैमिली को चेंज करो.
Absolutely.
अगर हर इंसान अपनी फैमिली का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले लेगा इन एनी वे, be it cultural values, be it religious values, be it discipline, you know, all the small things which actually make up a life, अगर आपने वो घर पे इम्प्लीमेंट कर दी, राइट, तो आपकी जनरेशन्स तो करेगी ही. तो हर इंसान ने अगर एज अ फैमिली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले ली, अब जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन आई एम ड्राइविंग आई हैव टू फॉलो द रूल्स, सो यू फॉलो द रूल्स, obviously there won't be a mess, right? The world is automatically a beautiful place.
Absolutely.
So we won't even have a chance to compare. So I always tell in my show, first start with you, like you said. अगर हमने अपने आप को बदल दिया, आसपास हर एक इंसान ने खुद रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले ली, बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट कितना करेगी या हम आसपास के कंप्लेंट्स को कितना सॉर्ट आउट करेंगे, हम लोग का भी तो एज अ सिटीजन कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है या नहीं.
Absolutely.
बिकॉज अब्रॉड तो रूल्स होते हैं, रूल तोड़ने से पहले इंसान 100 बार सोच लेता है. यहाँ पर हम आसानी से रूल तोड़ सकते हैं. We take it for granted.
We take it for granted.
Yeah. So, which is not right. अगर हम हमारे देश के लिए रिस्पेक्ट नहीं कर रहे, which is not actually, that is what many times I feel angry, because we have that habit of driving ना, left and right कर लेते हैं. एक तो पहले वो confusion हो जाती है. So when you're driving, I have not seen a day when I'm actually driving and it's been smooth. But then अभी शायद वो आदत हो जाती है. It's okay. You cannot change the world. So you better start checking, because people are actually approaching you from the wrong side. They are risking their life together with our lives.
Yes.
And this happens every time we drive.
Yes.
So
Yes.
unknowingly you get hurt.
Yes.
So इसके लिए पहला हमारा मैसेज ये है कि हर बंदा अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी पहले अपनी फैमिली की ले ले,
बिल्कुल.
अपने आप सब कुछ ठीक है.
Absolutely.
अच्छा, इसके अलावा अलग क्वालिफिकेशन से बिलोंग करके सब अलग होकर एक किचन का आइडिया कहाँ से आया? डू यू लाइक कुकिंग और मैडम लाइक्स कुकिंग? हाउ डज इट हैपन?
So in my family, all of us cherish good food,
Okay.
uh, and because we like different kind of food, we have never restricted ourselves to a particular type of food or a particular
Diet plan.
diet plan. Uh, I have traveled so much, fortunately, and because of that travel, I have had opportunities to taste and eat and cherish different kind of recipes and cuisines. The same goes with my wife, and because of us, our children have also traveled quite a lot. My parents have traveled quite a lot. So we do not have that barrier of not checking out something which is completely new. That is the beginning of it. Secondly, when you enjoy food, somewhere down the line you also want to have that food at your home.
Right.
Yeah. So we started experimenting at home, uh, and sometimes it worked out fantastic. Sometimes it was a complete mess. But that happens. That's fine. It's trial and error. We are not professional cooks or professional chefs. Uh, but then when I came back to India last year, I found that there are a lot of seafood lovers in Nasik who do not get what they want. Like me, there are people who have traveled all over the world. Like me, there are people who cherish good food, but they don't get. I'm not saying that the food that is being served in the restaurants in Nasik is bad or anything like that, sort, but they don't get what they want. Yeah. So I started making food which people were looking for, authentic food, and I started from very Indian cuisines, from the coastal belt of Maharashtra. That's where I belong to originally. Uh, and then I moved on to a few continental dishes. I moved on to a few Thai dishes. Unfortunately there's no authentic Thai restaurant in Nasik.
Yes.
So when people started knowing, oh, you actually get proper Thai food at this place, uh, the clientele started increasing. And today we do three kinds of cuisines: Indian, which is the coastal one, CKP cuisine. We do Thai cuisine and we do continental cuisines.
Okay.
So three cuisines we do. It's a kitchen which is run from my place, and me, my wife, my mom, my children all help out in making food as and when is required. And then we have a couple of help who do certain basic chores. That's how that business is going on.
Okay. So how is the response from Nasik?
The response has been very good. As I said, people were looking for the kind of food that I serve. People were looking for a certain quality of food. People were looking for a certain hygiene in their food. And people were, on top of that, the biggest thing that I found was people were looking for professionalism, which was again, I can't say it is lacking. There are a lot of professional restaurants in Nasik, but then they also wanted a home delivery system which was run by a proper professional person. And example of that is, if you want your food delivered at 12 in the afternoon, it is 12 in the afternoon. It cannot be 12 and 5. It cannot be quarter past 12. It has to be 12 or before that. And the moment people saw that when they want food at 12, it gets delivered at 12, and I personally go and deliver the food. There are various reasons for that. Then people started, acknowledging the service that I give. The cost and everything comes later on. What clientele today want is top class service, top class food, top class hygiene. If you have these three in your business, not only food business, any other business, then I don't think there will be any shortage of clientele or orders for any business.
So you all take party orders and all also?
We do
or
take
it's
party
your-
orders also. We don't do a catering business, so we don't go and serve people. We do only parcels, and that too we only do main dishes. So we don't do we don't do chapatis and rice and all that stuff. We only cook uh, main course dishes, not the
And
accompanying.
especially the seafood.
Especially
Nothing
the seafood.
vegetarian.
No, we do vegetarian also. We do vegetarian also, but again, vegetarian. There's a lot of choice for vegetarian food.
Yeah.
Authentic seafood, you get a lot of fish in Nasik, but getting fish is one thing, and preparing it in a certain way is another thing, and that's where my USP stands.
Okay. So how do people contact you for that?
So I've got a Facebook page, Eyes Kitchen. Uh, it's a unique page in itself, which portrays a lot of dishes that we serve. So people do contact me from Facebook. They also contact me on WhatsApp, and more so today it has happened. Today it is in a situation where people contact me through word of mouth publicity. Initially, when I started, I had hardly 5 clients. But because of those 5 clients, people started telling each other. Then I started getting party orders. Today, I've got quite a good number of clients who contact me through phone or Facebook. There are a lot of people who come to Shirdi or who are passing from Nasik while they are returning from Shirdi, and they want to have good food. Good homemade food. So they contact me. Typically on Saturdays and Sundays, I also organize group lunches at home. It's only by pre-booking and only for families. And no,
So they can actually come to your place.
they can actually come to my place. They get served hot food from the kitchen in my house. I do the serving myself. And it's, as I said, it's only for families, and there's absolutely no alcohol. It's pure good food. That's all.
So with all this, ये judgment आती है कि not judgment, of course ये prove हो जाता है कि you love to cook also. I mean
Absolutely.
the whole family.
Yes.
So it must be fun, right? कि
It is
सारी family एक साथ लगी हुई है एक ही काम पर.
When we have party orders, it's party in our kitchen.
आपके ही घर में party हो जाती है.
There's a lot of hard work. There's a lot of time which needs to be spent in planning. There's a lot of efforts which are required in procuring the right kind of material. But then when everything is there in the kitchen, it's fun.
So your parents also enjoy doing all
Oh,
this?
absolutely.
I mean
Absolutely.
उनका भी अच्छा time pass हो रहा था ना?
My
actually?
mom is a fantastic cook.
Okay.
My wife, no doubt, has she is a fantastic cook, but she has acquired a lot of international cooking skills.
Okay.
My son is only 15, but he does a lot of Japanese cooking at home.
Great.
My father, he helps out in a lot of other things. He also cooks once in a while. But yeah, the whole family gets into the
And the
kitchen.
daughter, what does she
No,
like?
I don't have a daughter. I have got 2 sons.
You've got 2 sons.
And the younger one is too young. He enjoys all the drama which is going around.
I can taste and tell you how
Oh
is
yeah,
it.
actually, he's a chief tester.
That's also important. You
Absolutely.
need somebody to taste it also.
Yeah.
It's good to know actually. Even I love to cook. So मेरा भी सारा रोज कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहता है. मेरा
Yeah.
सोने से पहले रात को actually exploring चलता है कि कल क्या
कल क्या
experiment
करें.
करना है. So because I help people with health challenges.
Sure.
So मेरा तो मोटिव अलग ही होता है कि खाना भी खाओ और हेल्दी भी रहो. So I think जब आपको वो कुकिंग का पैशन होता है, it automatically turns things well.
Yes.
And how did this journey of Amul Parlor start?
अमूल
पहले
पार्लर
Amul Parlor start होता है या पहले किचन
नहीं,
start?
पहले किचन चालू हुआ था.
Okay.
Amul Parlor, see, while staying abroad, I had done a few investments here and there. which I think everybody who is fortunate enough to live abroad and make some money should do. And that's one message that I would like to give to not only youngsters but anybody who is by the grace of God able to make some good money. So I had a few investments in the form of commercial place and a few others. And while going around in this locality, we are all fan of Amul butter.
Right.
We are all fans of Amul cheese.
And the curd and the
every product from
I think
Amul.
everything
Every product
in
from
Amul is
Amul.
amazing.
So I found a gap that there is no Amul exclusive outlet which can serve the community in having all the Amul products under one umbrella. You get Amul butter in grocery shop, you get Amul cheese in grocery shop, but then you don't get the entire range. See, Amul has got around 500 odd products. We hardly get to know those products. We as in common people. Generally people know butter, cheese, Srikhand, dahi. That's it.
Yeah.
People stop
We don't
there.
really know more explored products about
Exactly.
it.
Or ice creams. So that was the gap that I identified, number one. Secondly, fortunately I had friends who helped me in getting myself organized to get the franchisee from Amul. I got a very old friend who helped me out in this whole process. And then we just started from, I think, around 100 or not even 100, probably 50-55 products when we started in September. Majority of them were ice creams and the products that everybody knows.
Yeah.
But then as a couple of months passed, I found that the exclusiveness of Amul shop in this locality and the value attached to that exclusiveness is pretty high. So then I started keeping all the products, and now if a product is available in Nasik, in Amul, it is available in my shop. If it's not available in Nasik, if it's out of stock, then it's out of stock. But if the product is available in Nasik, it is available in my shop. And people started realizing that if you want, for example, Amul has got a range of chocolates. When it comes to chocolate or a chocolate bar, people generally associate with a particular brand. I don't want to say the brand.
Yeah.
But then people were looking for Amul chocolates. They have seen it.
Yeah.
They have seen it in malls, they have seen it somewhere else. But there's no one shop where you can get the entire range of Amul chocolates.
In shops, my experience is कभी मिलता है, कभी नहीं मिलता है. ऐसे मैंने अमूल के प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत बार बाहर देखे. They actually end up stuck. Lately, I went to a place. I wanted to buy Amul cheese. आपको दूसरा ब्रांड लेना है, and we're so used to that taste, no?
Yeah.
I tried it also, but I was not happy. You know that there's some taste which you love,
yeah, exactly.
especially the cheese. I mean, we love cheese, we cherish it.
Yes.
So many places I found it कि नहीं मिलता. When I came to your parlor, I mean, after coming to Nasik, I said, wow. And the way you've made it, बहुत अच्छे से बनाया है. मतलब बाहर का मजा आ जाता है. You know, the way we have shops abroad,
Yeah.
a particular very nicely maintained shop, clean, हर प्रोडक्ट डिस्प्ले में अच्छे से है. The service, I mean, I think first time only we became friends.
Yeah. True.
I adore people who do things very seriously, because like I said, हम लोग बाहर रहते हैं, हम लोग इतना सिस्टम से रहते हैं ना,
Correct.
ये सब छोटी छोटी बातें हमारे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होती है.
Yes. Absolutely.
क्योंकि मेरे साथ यहाँ पर ऐसा भी हुआ है ग्रोसरीज में, because I was also new to the place when I shifted back here. आपको प्रोडक्ट दे रहे हैं, पैसा भी ले रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ कम ले रहे हैं, लेकिन जब घर आ रहे हो तो प्रोडक्ट बकवास है, फेक है. ये यूजुअली हमारा एक्सपीरियंस अब्रॉड नहीं होता है,
बिल्कुल,
राइट?
बिल्कुल.
आई मीन मोस्टली नहीं होता है
मोस्टली
ऐसा.
नहीं होता.
तो ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ों से मैं मतलब आई वॉज नॉट हैप्पी. सो आई यूज टू एक्चुअली गो बैक टू दिवलाली बिकॉज देयर पीपल नो मी. आई एम बॉर्न एंड ब्रॉट अप देयर. सो इफ दे डोंट हैव अ प्रोडक्ट तो वो लोग सीधा बोलेंगे आज ये प्रोडक्ट नहीं है, फ्रेश भी नहीं है, आप कल लेना. एंड आई यूज्ड टू बी वाओ, पीपल हैव दैट गट टू स्पीक ट्रुथ. यहाँ पर मेरा बहुत बैड एक्सपीरियंस था. जब मैं आपके शॉप पे आई केम होम एंड आई वाज लाइक वाओ, मज़ा आ गया. मतलब यू पे एंड स्माइल, वो होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. जैसे आपने अपनी किचन के लिए कहा, सी आई थिंक आज की जो जनरेशन है या जो आज हमारी पब्लिक है, वो लोग पैसे भरने को तैयार है लेकिन क्वालिटी चाहिए. मुझे नहीं लगता आज की तारीख में लोग कॉम्प्रोमाइज करेंगे. इफ यू पेइंग you would be ready to pay, but the service, the quality, मजा आना चाहिए.
You should enjoy the whole. See, this is what I say. Going to a Amul parlor is experiencing Amul.
Yes.
If you can experience the Amul culture, if you can experience the whole Amul, brand at one place, then people enjoy that. People actually enjoy it. They might not, I've got so many people who come to my shop, buy something very small. That's fine, but they do get that experience of Amul. They do get that experience of seeing so many, the full range of chocolates, as I said, the full range of cheese products, the full range of milk products, the entire range of scoops. So I've got now in my shop, I've got 24 different flavors of scoops, which I can say that rarely in one shop you'll find so many different flavors. There are shops which different brands which have got,
but उतना variety नहीं है.
उतना variety नहीं है, and it's all fresh. So a lot of people ask me, your shop is always full. How do you manage it? And I say my rotation of my stock is every 3 days. So every 3 days the stock gets replenished. That is obviously because those products get sold and fresh stock comes in. But there is no old stock as such. Human errors do happen. I cannot say that I am 100% correct. But 99.9% you will not get old stock in my shop. That is something which a lot of people have realized, and people just come to buy butter. They can get it at a grocery shop as well, but they just drop in to buy a slab of butter because they know that this butter has come 3 days back. It's not something which is being.
मैं दही भी सिर्फ आपके स्टोर से ही लेती हूँ, मैं और किधर से लेती नहीं. मुझे, मैंने कहा ना, मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत बैड है. I like to go to the places where I know I'll get the best product. For me, that time money is not important because I don't have that much time to sit and argue and then return. I don't have that time because I am occupied with too many things. तो मुझे लगता है जाओ फटाफट से प्रोडक्ट ले आओ. And because I know you, तो God forbid कभी ऐसा हुआ नहीं है, लेकिन हो तो हमें पता है कि हमें उस बंदे से सर्विस मिली.
Yes.
मेरा ये होता है सिस्टम.
Absolutely.
I mean, I have that habit. Vegetables and the groceries, I have fixed shops. They know me.
Yeah.
I don't even check the prices. I just go, okay, this. God forbid कभी ऐसा हो, they easily return and exchange it.
Absolutely.
That is what we want, right?
That is what
Make
is
life
service.
easy. Yeah.
That is what is service all about.
Exactly. Why to complicate life for these petty things also? Because we are already so busy.
There are so many things to worry about.
Exactly. Food is something which we should enjoy.
Absolutely.
जाओ, पैसे भरो, घर पर आओ, enjoy करो.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
और ये तो हुई अमूल की बात. मैं मुझे आपने एक बार कहा था कि मैडम कुकीज़ भी बहुत अच्छे बनाते हैं, तो वो चल रहा है या अभी पॉज पे?
नहीं, कुकीज़ बिजनेस has gone on the back burner.
अच्छा.
Because we are occupied with these two businesses so much, and cookies का क्या है कि see, for every product there is a market, and unfortunately we found that the cookies that we used to make while in Dubai, the market is not yet ready to accept that, or the market is not yet ready to understand what the difference between a cookie and a biscuit is. If you go to South Mumbai, or if you go to places like Karol Bagh and all these places in Delhi, the people there immediately realize the difference between a cookie and a biscuit. And it's not because the rest of the people don't like the taste. It's just because the exposure is not there. See, if I was not fortunate enough to live in different countries, I wouldn't have realized the difference between a cookie and a biscuit myself. But now that I have checked both of them, and I like both. Biscuits I like cookies. Uh, but because I have tasted it, because I have checked it out, I can make my preferences and choices. I want a cookie or I want a biscuit. But here what happens is, cookie and a biscuit, you go and buy a packet of biscuits, a branded biscuit, and it says cookies on top of that, which is not a cookie. A cookie is a different, it's a mushy, soft inside, crispy outside.
You have one cookie, actually half done.
You're half
One
done.
or two means you don't even need a
You
breakfast.
don't even need a breakfast. But the concept of cookie and biscuits is completely different, and it's more towards I know you are also into the business of cookies. So if you go to continental Europe or in UK, you immediately realize the difference between a cookie and a biscuit. Somebody serves you a biscuit, the biscuit has to be nice and crisp and it should tuck आवाज आना चाहिए. The same thing if you go to US, there is no difference between a cookie and a biscuit. They will serve you a cookie as a biscuit, and they will serve you a biscuit as a cookie. It is a little bit like India. So that difference is there.
Okay, and I also see because there are lots of, I won't say cheap products, but people look more for the low price. Branding है, लेकिन उनका कैसे था ना 5 रुपए 10 रुपए पे जान छूटे. मैंने देखा है बहुत सारे लोग, because when I specialize in millet ka cookies, for them price is big without realizing I don't put preservative. ठीक है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें जिसका हम ध्यान रखते हैं, but then I feel जिनको उसका वैल्यू पता है वही ले.
This is very nice that you said. And I faced this initially when I started the kitchen business. It's not so much in Amul business because the prices are standard, it's MRP based, there's no compromise on prices there. But in cooked food business, that challenge is faced by just about every entrepreneur. Whether it's a restaurant owner, whether it's a kitchen owner, whether it's a household food supplier. You have different class of customers. And when I say class of customers, I don't mean to demean anybody, but you need to realize who values what. There is a class of customers who will value only the price component, and 80% of the customers are people who value only the price, not realizing that you can compromise on price, but then you also will have to compromise on a lot of other things. But that's fine. There is a customer class for that. And then there is a customer class who makes kind of a not a compromise, but tries to strike a balance between the price and quality. So he wants quality, but he wants at an optimum price. There you need to rationalize your product. And then you have that top 10% of customer which values product, which values quality, which values hygiene, which values service, which values packaging, which values everything. And they see the value in the product that you are giving them. Unfortunately, that class of customers will always remain only 10%. In any market, it's not only in India, it's across the world, because you will always have that 80% of price-driven market, 10% of quality-driven, compromise market, and 10% of pure play quality-driven market. So it's up to you to decide in your business which part of the market you want to cater to. It's your choice. There is nothing wrong about servicing any of them. There is nothing wrong, absolutely nothing wrong. You make your choice. I want to cater to 80% of the market, then you have to adjust your product accordingly. I want to cater to the top 10% of the market, then you have to adopt to that requirement.
But it is a challenge because initially, see, for millets the prices are high,
Yes.
right? But what I always tell them, आप कैलकुलेशन कर लो, ओके, अगर वो एक्सपेंसिव है, ठीक है, अगर कोई चीज़ आपकी हेल्थ को बना रही है तो वो एक्सपेंसिव कैसे हुई? आपका बाकी जो कॉस्ट होता है, you know, actually, what would I say? You're spoiling your health. Is that okay? I think it's better to pay a price and take care of your health.
As I said, that understanding is there for a particular segment of market, and you probably initially think that you are selling the right product to the right people, but you are selling the wrong product to the wrong market. What you need to realize is, and I found this myself in my coaching business, is that you need to understand what your client is looking for. The moment you understand that, then there's no price point anywhere. Of course, you cannot be exorbitantly expensive, because then you are going to ultra premium segment. That 10% of the market segment is, as long as you understand. I'll give you an example of the cookies business that we used to do in Dubai. So we had a few very nice gyms around, and we had in our community there were a couple of individuals who used to conduct yoga classes and art of living and all that. And we got contacted by a few of them saying that our clientele wants something which will fill their stomach after the exercise or workouts. But we don't want this, this and this. And then we made a product which was suitable for them. So there were people who were diabetic, there were people who had hypertension, there were people who had different kind of requirements. So we made products for them. And then there was no negotiation or there was no discussion on price at all. All they wanted is a product which suits them.
Right.
So the moment you find what your client wants, you adopt the product accordingly. You are not Britannia, or you are not Parle. You are what you are. You have a capacity in your kitchen or your wherever you make your cookies. You can make 100 cookies a day. So let's make those 100 cookies a day as per what the client wants, not what you want to sell them.
That is what I also realize. So I also have a category of cookies now. There are people who want to have the ghee cookies, that to A to ghee ka cookies,
Yes.
and they're ready to pay.
Yeah.
You know how they sell? I mean, I asked them what to exactly. आप बना दो, at least flavor बता दो, आपको जो अच्छा लगता है, but they don't even ask.
Yeah.
So that's what. See, that is how the step is slow, but when they get that satisfaction from the product, you feel चलो, because उनकी health खराब नहीं हो रही है और उनको हम लोग home deliver जाके करते हैं, so they are also happy and also even I believe in having less and the best.
Yes.
क्योंकि हम सब तक पहुंच नहीं पाएंगे, हम लोग लिमिटेड इसमें, क्योंकि हम घर से काम करते हैं. और आपका क्या मैसेज है लोगों के लिए? वन मोर थिंग आई वांटेड टू आस्क, व्हेन पीपल लाइक दीज यू गेट, इनिशियली तो डिमोटिवेशन हुआ होगा.
People like what?
The category where they just want the product but they don't even want to pay.
No, I was
the
very
struggle
clear
initially?
about. Me and my wife were very clear from day one. We had decided what market we want to service. So there was no negotiation on, let's. अभी ये नहीं हो रहा है तो let's go to this. No. We were very clear. This is what we want to do. It will take time. Let a few people. We even did free, sampling for a lot of people. A lot of people we did. 90% of them never came back after realizing what the price was. That's fine. No problem. Out of those 10 people, 2 became my clients. I am very happy with that, because those 2 people who became my clients are my clients for life now. And they just want the best product, the best packaging, the best service. I have last year I did a party for about 24 odd doctors for 5 days. There was a conference at somebody's place, and 3 meals. So breakfast, lunch and dinner. and the lady who organized this, she was very clear. I want for breakfast day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. We had a complete chart made ready, Excel sheet made ready. So for breakfast we want whatever the menu was, and I want. So for example, they wanted a high tea on one of the days, and during high tea they wanted pizzas, but all of them were very clear. We don't want to have maida pizzas, and we don't want to have those big pizzas.
Small,
So
mini
we want
pizzas.
to have coin size pizzas. So we literally made ₹1 ₹2 का बड़ा coin आता है ना, वो size का pizzas, which was not maida based, which was millet based, with the proper cheese, with proper fresh toppings. It took a lot of time for us to make those products, because the smaller the product gets,
Yeah.
the complicated it becomes.
Yeah.
But they wanted that, and they were very clear, this is what we want. And they were willing to pay for that, and they paid for that. We want this fish, and we want to have it this way prepared, and we want to have this spice level, and we want to have this way packing, and we want to have it delivered at this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 criteria. Tick, 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 tick. This is your price. So it took time. We did not get discouraged that अरे यार अभी तो our price is very high. No, our price is there because of certain things, and we will not go down with that.
So how was the response after doing this?
I got repeated orders from those doctors. So out of those 24 doctors, 6 doctors live in Nasik. So I get regular orders from them for their, even on a Sunday afternoon. I am both the doctor and his wife, or both, sometimes both of them are doctor, and I'm lazy cooking. Let's order something from them. So they order the previous day. And another thing is that it's not a restaurant. So you don't get to order now and get it delivered in half an hour's time. So
Right.
I tell it very clearly. If you want to have it for tomorrow lunch, you have to order it today,
Right.
because I'll get everything fresh.
Yes.
There is no cold store nonsense there. Fish is fresh, vegetables are fresh, masala are fresh, everything right from coconut. Everything is fresh, and that, believe me or not, has got a very big impact on the quality of the product which comes out.
Definitely, it does.
And you-
इसीलिए जब हम लोग घर पे खाना बनाते हैं फ्रेशनेस अलग होता है. That's why people love home food, right? And that is the reason even I look for it. अब जैसे I'm very particular because of my health challenges, but I don't get what I want. So sometimes I get fed up कि पैसे भी भरो कुछ मिलता भी नहीं है तो फिर किधर जाएं? So end of the day I only have to be the cook. So we also need a break. So it is good that at least you all have that option. So I think more people should choose this kind of services, but the best.
Go for the best.
Yeah,
Go for the best what you can afford.
yeah.
Because even in the low price range area, there are people who give good food,
Yeah.
who give clean food. It's not that when you are paying lower price you will get a lower quality. That's a wrong concept. That's a
Yeah.
wrong understanding. There are people who serve food at a lower price, but the food is good. It's home cooked. It's clean. But obviously you will not get the variety probably. You might get dal, rice, chapati, sabji, good quality, good oil, good everything, and you pay a nominal price for that. So ऐसा नहीं है कि सस्ता है तो खराब है. There are people who give सस्ता and स्वस्थ दोनों.
There are many people.
There are
Even
many
we've
people who
tried. When there are days when we cannot actually do, we have some, they have some kitchen services where they serve hot food होता है, serve करते हैं, very nominal prices, and the taste is amazing.
Yes.
ऐसा नहीं कि सामने वो भाकरी बना दी.
बिल्कुल.
I love that, the typical Maharashtrian भाकरी style they make it, because pat I am a Sindhi, तो हम लोग का वैसा बनता नहीं है. When we make it, it's a different style. So I cherish the flavors and that they serve you hot. उसी समय बनाकर आपको देते हैं तो मज़ा आता है. So food industry is something which we can talk and talk about it.
Yes.
So what is your share with the people about how your journey has been? क्या मैसेज है हमारे लोगों को मोटिवेट करने के लिए?
मोटिवेट करने के लिए मैसेज वेरी सिंपल है, डोंट गिव अप. Sometimes things happen quickly, sometimes they take a long time. But if you keep on, if you are very persistent about what you want to achieve, eventually you will get there. It takes a lot of hard work, there is no doubt about it. It takes a lot of discipline, and as you go along you will find that people will join with you. Things will work out.
So you'll have people who want to join you in more of the add-ons?
For Amul, yes, I've got a few more ideas in the pipeline now.
Okay.
For kitchen, not at the moment. There were a few opportunities to take the kitchen to places like Pune and Thane, but this is not the time. It will take some more time before we take that decision.
Okay. So do your kids have the clarity कि आगे क्या करना है? I'm sure they would be like, चलो हम भी आगे यही business करेंगे, या ऐसा नहीं है? They're just enjoying at the moment.
They are just enjoying at the moment. See, my younger son is too young to decide on anything.
Okay.
He hardly gets to decide on his toothpaste. So, and the elder one is he's 15. He'll turn 16 this year. So he's in an age where he wants to do everything and nothing.
Yeah.
So let them take their own time. Let them decide what they want.
But I think that comes, मुझे लगता है वो घर का सब माहौल देखते देखते आ ही जाता है, चाहे वो ये प्रोफेशन करें या ना करें, लेकिन आगे चल के खुद के खाने का बंदोबस्त जरूर हो
हाँ,
जाएगा.
बिल्कुल. They will not
They will not starve.
They will not starve. That's for sure. Yes.
Because I've been in kitchen since I was in class 4. मुझे प्लेटफॉर्म पे बिठाया जाता था, फिर ऑब्वियसली कच्चा पक्का बनेगा, मेरी चाय कैसे, अरे बहुत अमेजिंग बनाते हो आप, बहुत मतलब मुझे समझ में आता है, पूरी कच्ची रोटी होती थी और मेरे डैडी को बोलते थे कितना मस्त बना, इतना मोटा रोटी, how would he be eating also? So that is how I think it's been a practice, and my love for cooking has been growing every day. I explore millets में तो मेरे पास बहुत सारी
Fantastic.
I'll be soon coming up with baking breads and pizza base and
Very
everything.
good. Excellent.
I'm trying my best. Let's see.
Yeah,
The time should
absolutely.
also permit. आपको पता है घर से काम करना कितना मुश्किल है.
Yeah.
So that is all we have for today. It's been a wonderful show to know your journey, and I'm sure lots of people will reach you, your Cloud Kitchen,
Thank you.
and also reach him for the Amul products. He has the Amul parlor is really amazing. I mean, I really love it, and the vibrations are very positive. The best service. You go it, and he knows exactly which curd I'm talking about. So that is how we get this service, right? The service industry works that way. और सिर्फ सर्विस की बात ही नहीं होती है, जब आप अच्छे से सर्व करते हैं वो एक लगाव भी हो जाता है, आपको पता होता है कि वो बंदा आपको अच्छा ही कुछ प्रोडक्ट देंगे, मिसगाइडेंस नहीं होती है, एंड यू पे एंड यू smile. So I always believe in pay and smile system.
Cool.
So any last words to cherish on?
No, just enjoy your life, be cool, and
Keep eating.
keep eating, keep trying. All the best.
All the best. Yeah. Thank you so much, all the viewers. Thank you so much
Thank you.
for your time and lots of informative journey that everybody can start their cooking also
Thank you.
if they are passionate about it.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.